Today here we are going to show you how an electric bulb that is working on AC can be controlled by means of a phone. For that what we needed extra besides what we have taken in the previous video, that is a breadboard, a mega board, a Bluetooth device, a Bluetooth module rather I will say, and a data cable and a power supply source. But what we are going to add today is only a single thing, that is relay. And we have used our relay that is having capacity of 10 amperes. And to activate this very relay, we need only 5 volts. Let me tell you what the apparatus will today do. The apparatus by means of this relay will control an electric bulb by means of Bluetooth. Now how the model or project will work, for that you have to be very much cautious and very much careful about the wiring. Let me tell you what I did during the wiring. As you know that previously what we did, we connected our Bluetooth module with our arduino mega board, and the wiring we have already mentioned in the previous video. If you have not seen that very video, kindly go through the video and know what is exact wiring there. Still I will try to recapitulate fastly. We have connected 4 pins of Bluetooth module with our arduino mega board. The 4 pins are VCC, that is meant for 5 volts. Actually we have taken 5 volts from our arduino board and have made a point on our breadboard where from we can get 5 volt connections when we require. And that very 5 volt is connected with VCC of the Bluetooth module. Also we connected the same 5 volts with the relay that we introduced today here. And the ground we have created for the Bluetooth module is here. That has been taken from the arduino mega board and has been connected with the Bluetooth module. Now it has been connected to the relay as well. That means 2 connections are same. And the third connection, that is the connection of the in of relay. It is connected to the pin number 11 of the arduino board. And other 2 connections of the Bluetooth module, as you know, the TX and RX, that are connected to the arduino board but in reverse. That means TX is connected with RX and RX is connected with TX. I have already mentioned this very thing, and that is why I repeatedly requesting you, if you have not seen the last video, kindly watch the last one from my page, from my channel, so that you will get what actually I am talking about. Now I have connected relay, but the important part is here, and be cautious while doing this very part. I have connected another part of the relay that is meant for AC, from which now I am going to control the bulb. That is the second part, the second side of the relay, having 3 connections, on which it is mentioned that the middle pin is having the marking COM, and the pin that is on the right side is having the marking of NO, and the pin that is having mark of NC, it is on the left side of the relay, left extreme. So 3 pins are from the another side of this relay. From one side it is connected to the board, and from another side it is connected to the power source. The COM part is directly connected to the AC supply, COM, and the NC part is connected to the terminal of the bulb, that is yet not connected. There are 2 wires required for making a bulb to work, that is positive and negative, like that. Suppose I have kept positive intact with my bulb, the positive is directly connected to the bulb. Now what I did, I took AC connection from the main source and inserted it into the relay's COM portion, and from there I took it and connected to the that end of the bulb which is yet to connect. You can get this. So now when I connect the apparatus with my Bluetooth and I will send the signal A, the signal A will activate the relay and relay will make this apparatus to work, this very circuit, and the bulb will be controlled by means of Bluetooth. Let us now have a complete demonstration. For that I have to open my application on phone, which I already mentioned that I have installed an application from the Play Store, and the name of the application you can see from my screen is this. You can also download this. But I am repeatedly saying you that if you are conducting this very experiment at your home, be cautious, because this is the question of your life. Here we are playing with the alternating current, there is AC, it is too much dangerous if won't be handled with proper care and attention. So let us go for now practical demonstration how the apparatus will work. So this is my application Arduino Blue Control. Let me open this. I have opened this application, and first of all what I have to do, I have to connect to my device. It is making its connection and it is prompting me connected to HC05. For that I have to first of all keep my Bluetooth on, and if it is not connecting, then you can reconnect on this very button that is shown on the top. Suppose I was unable to connect by default, then I have to choose my device. Suppose H5 is my device and I will choose manually the device, it will get connected. This is the way how you can connect it with your device. Now my device is connected with my phone. Now what I have to send? I have to send A for making my LED to bulb to light, and B for unlight. Let me try A first. When I send the signal of A, the bulb is working. You can see when I send the signal of B, the bulb is stopping. So this is how my bulb is now completely, AC bulb is now completely controlled by the Bluetooth application. Now you can replace this very bulb with any electric appliance, and you can control that very appliance by means of relay. But remember this very thing, while making any electric appliance work on Bluetooth, it should be consuming less than 10 amperes of AC, because as I already mentioned, the relay that I am using is only having the capacity to maintain or control 10 amperes, not beyond that. But the wiring procedure will be same. You can take a relay that will have the much capacity than with this very one, then you can go for higher appliances that are consuming too much electricity. So but the procedure for running any electric appliance is simply same. And one more thing you can do, that is you can replace this very board of arduino, that is mega. It is too much costly. You can use simply a nano board. You can even use Vamos boards are now available in market that are better choice than this very nano and mega boards, arduino boards. In next video we will try to elaborate something about this Vamos board, and something more we will try to include in this very apparatus. We will try to include some sensors in this very setup, so that our bulb will have some connectivity with sensors as well. Till then, Allah Hafiz. But if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe and support my channel.